The reason why most people get scammed on the Web3 space is because they continue to do these things with their Web3 wallets. Now, if you can just stop doing these things I'm about to mention in this video with your Web3 wallet, then you will be saved and you can stop losing your money to scammers on the Web3 space. So before I go ahead to share all of the things I'm about to say in this video, if this is your first time of seeing my video, you're welcome to Blockchainplus. In this place, I make crypto simple and profitable for everyone. So if this is your first time, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon so that when I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified and you can also watch them. And most importantly, if you're looking for a place to trade, invest in crypto, safe and securely, do well to join the Blockchainplus Telegram group because we do a whole lot in that place. Now, with that said, and without further ado, let's dive into the business of today. So, number one thing you should never do with your crypto wallet or your Web3 wallet is to store your seed phrase digitally. So, do not make the mistake of storing your crypto or your seed phrase in digital form. And when I mean digital form, I mean storing it on your email address, using your email address to store your seed phrase, or backing it up on Telegram, or backing it up somewhere, or even on your phone. Maybe you have a notepad and you save it in your phone. That is not good. It is not safe. You understand? Okay, there was a video I watched about someone who said they hacked his account, his website account, and they made away with some of his money. And guess what? It was because he stored his seed phrase using email address. So when you store your seed phrase on your email address, there is tendency that it can be hacked. As long as it's online, it can always be hacked. So always know that phrase. As long as it is what online, it is prone to what hacking. So do not store your seed phrase digitally. Stop doing that, and you save yourself a lot of headache. Second thing you should never do is storing large amounts of your crypto in a hot wallet for a very long time. Now you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, you want to buy BNB, you want to buy Solana, you want to buy Sui or any of the coins. I want to store them for 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years. There's no point keeping them in hot wallet, guys. Make sure you get a cold wallet and store those crypto because you're keeping them for a long term. The reason being that if you keep them there, one thing might just happen, and before you know, you think, oh, you're not always logging into your wallet where you put it. As long as you're using that phone for operation, you think, okay, I'm not always logging in. But something might happen, and before you know it, you go to that account and everything is gone. So always make sure you remove the ones you want to keep for long term. Keep it somewhere safe in a cold wallet, and you are good to go. Now, this third one is very, very familiar with everybody. See, there are so many fake and phishing sites that are always trying to make you connect your wallet to unfamiliar sources. You understand? So never, ever, ever connect your Web3 wallet to unfamiliar site, unfamiliar dApps that you did not do anything, but they're asking you to connect, and you go and connect because you see them saying you can claim Ton, you can claim Sui, you can claim Ethereum, you can claim Solana, and you feel like, okay, I can claim this thing. Let me just connect my wallet and you claim it. It's a fraud, and it's a way to scam you of your money. Once you connect to those sites, chances are you have just given away your access to whoever that is behind the scene. You understand? So never ever connect your wallet to unfamiliar site, to unfamiliar dApps, or any site that you are not sure of, that you are sure that you did not do anything on. Do not do that, because if you do that, your coin might be lost. And also, do not ever sign a transaction that you did not approve or that you're not aware of. So I have a friend of mine in Ghana. He sent me a message on WhatsApp and he was like, oh, I saw this transaction on my Phantom wallet. I don't know. I'm not sure I did anything like this. I just told him, delete it. Do not sign it. Do not approve it. Some people, they'll just go ahead and approve it even without them knowing what it is. Some people, they know fully well that they never did anything, but they'll just go ahead and approve whatever transaction they are seeing. And once you approve it, you have given the scammers a go ahead to have access to your Web3 wallet. You get? So do not sign any transaction. Do not approve any transaction that you are not aware of, that or that you did not perform yourself. And now this one is very, very familiar with so many newbies. We're using one wallet for everything they are doing. You want to do airdrop, you're using one wallet. You want to do playing game online, you're using one wallet. You want to do anything at all, you are using one wallet. Oh, great. So NEPA just took the light and here we are. So let me just hand up this. So always make sure you keep different wallets for different purposes. You understand? So make sure you keep different wallets for different purposes. If possible, if you're spending wallet, your gas fee wallet, everything, make sure they are all different. You understand? So I'll just hand up this for here because as we all know, we are in Nigeria, anything can happen. So NEPA just took light on this video, and I believe you can still see me and you can hear from me. So, guys, these are the things you should never ever do with your Web3 wallet if you want to keep your crypto safe. Alright, guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have joined the Telegram group. If you've not joined the Telegram group, here is a link in bio. Go there and you'll see the link to join our Telegram group. And also, you can see the link on, sorry, the handle on the screen. Just use the handle, search for it on Telegram and join us, or use the link in bio. I will see you in the Telegram group where we do the most of the things we do in the crypto space. Alright, guys, that is it for me in this particular video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.